Hello everyone, my name is Kyla P. Gonzalez. So today we were going to talk about artificial intelligence or AI. Artificial intelligence is a search engine that most individuals use for their written works or any kinds of works. It helps individuals to learn, reason out, and solve problems, and also understanding the deeper question. Next, what is generative AI? Generative AI creates new original content such as text, code, images, and videos by learning patterns from vast amount of existing data. So what are the AI tools that you use and what do you request to be generated by AI? The AI tools that I use are CC and ChatGPT. I request to these tools to be generated by AI are those questions in my mind and also written works and projects. Describe yourself how dependent you are on AI on doing your written works. 1 is the least and 5 is the most. In this scale, I rate myself 4 because I always depend on AI every time I have a written works, projects, and concern about the unfamiliar words. What are the technological devices that can be found inside your house or you own? Which of these helps you in your studies? Can you continue learning without these devices? Explain why or why not. The technological devices that can be found inside our house is mobile phone and TV. The phone is the one helps me in my studies, and yes, I can continue learning without these devices because I can use a books to defend my study since AI helps individuals just to make the life of student easier. Lastly, explain how the cellular phone technological devices specify, if not CP, occupies your time whenever you inside your room or home. It makes me forget the time. So that's all. Thank you. Bye.